Hi, this is Erica DelSignore, and I'm the founder of Perfect Legal Video. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to use video to train your legal clients. But before I do that, I do want to mention that here at Perfect Legal Video, we can help you use your videos 10 different ways. And if you'd like to know more about how to do that and how to get a lot of ROI out of your marketing videos, please pick up the phone and give us a call. Now, on to the topic at hand, which is how to use video to train your clients. Now, what is the purpose of this really? Why would you even train your clients? I mean, they're your clients, right? They don't work for you. Well, there's a lot of things that you need to do to help keep your clients. And one of them is to set their expectations right away. How many of you out there have actually lost a client after they had committed to you and started working with you? Most likely the reason for that is that their expectations were not set correctly. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to have a video that describes the expectations that they can have of you, and conversely you should have some topics on there that talk about what you expect of them, because I'm sure lots of times a case doesn't progress because you're waiting for some information from the client, you're waiting for them to make a decision, and they really set things back. And then later on, you are still to blame. So make sure that in the beginning that the expectations are set on both accounts. Another one is to talk about the schedule of how things work with you. Make sure that they understand that the process is going to take about this long and that there are certain steps along the way. And that's really what you want to have. You may even want to have an organizational chart that talks about that and helps them understand better. This is all new to them. It's like drinking from a fire hose. When they first come to you, they are not the attorney, so that you want to really make sure things are simplified and explained as well as can possibly be explained. And if they need to rewatch a video, you don't have to keep answering those questions over and over again. Another video you can make is on paperwork. What types of paperwork are they going to be filling out, and how do they do it? How do they get the paperwork? Where can they find the information to fill out the paperwork? All of that is very important. Another video might be meetings and court dates. You want to talk about what those meetings are going to be and how long they last and what they're about, what they can expect, and what kind of court dates are they going to be looking at. You will also want to go over the topic of what to wear and how to act in those meetings and at court. It may seem obvious to you, but I've heard a bankruptcy attorney say, don't come wearing your most expensive jewelry and your designer clothing. Maybe come humbly to bankruptcy court. That's one example of it that I could think of. And certainly you should tell them how to act. They should only speak when spoken to, and you're going to help them navigate through that process. And so make sure that they understand that you're their guy or girl. All right. And, what do they do when it's over? A lot of people do not talk about that. Now, you've already set their expectations on how long the process takes and what kind of meetings and how they should act and what they should wear and the questions that they have. But what do they do when it's over? Is there some kind of a process or information that they're going to need after that? And the last thing is, don't forget to ask for referrals. And testimonials. If they've had a great experience with you, you can ask for referrals and testimonials along the way. And the only people that don't get referrals and testimonials are the people that feel funny about asking because they're too polite and embarrassed to do it. Let me tell you right now, you can be the best attorney out there, but if you don't know how to get your business, then you're going to be out of business. So one of the ways to get business, and one of the easiest ways, is to get referrals and testimonials and repeat business from your current clientele. So keep that in mind. This has been some information on how to use video marketing to train your legal clients. And I just want to remind you that if you have any questions about how to get more return on your investment with video and how to use video 10 different ways in your marketing, please pick up the phone and give me the call. This has been Erica DelSignore with Perfect Legal Video. I'll look forward to talking to you soon.